Hello dear friends and followers, welcome back to Officer Aerospy channel. This episode is going to be very important as we are going to test our engines today. As we discussed earlier, several types of tests has to be carried out. The first we'll look into endurance test. This test is relatively of short duration test of 50 hours in forward thrust, but operating conditions were difficult conditions to ensure that engine meets a good performance. The endurance test is prior to the flight trials and consists of series of equal cycles running at maximum takeoff with and without off takeoff bleed air. The next comes the fan blade test. On completion and completing of this test, the Test Aviation Authority reviews the hardware and inspects the details. The authority requires that the engine casing must be capable and containing to release the single compressor or a turbine blade. It is a single shot test comprising of explosive release of a fan blade when containment must be successful with a minimum fluid system leakage. The third is very important, that is a bird strike test. Birds are fired at a running engine, and this is very important. It must demonstrate acceptable operation following the strike. Despite the resulting damage to the fan and core, the engine must not catch the fire, burst or release danger fragments or generate loads beyond the engine and must be capable of doing that. The numbers, weights and size of the birds are dependent on the intake diameter. And the fourth test is the rain injection test. This simulates the bad weather conditions and demonstrates that the engine can even continue to operate in such situations. The engine must operate and complete the cycle from flight ideal to last bleed value closure and back to the flight ideal. And the fifth is very important, that is the altitude test. It is carried out to demonstrate the operability of the engine at high altitude conditions. This simulates ambient temperature, pressure and mass within the altitude test facility. This test is essential prior to installing the developed engine. And the sixth test is the icing test. The engine is required to demonstrate its capability to function in those atmospheric conditions in which ice can form. The main threat of ice building up on static components at the front of the engine at low power, then shedding into the engine when engine is accelerated. The engine oil is at a temperature to be approved around -40 degrees Celsius, then to start. The low temperature starting test is one of the prerequisite tests of the engine must declare the minimum oil temperature for starting and also for accelerating from ideal. And the next test is very important, that is the crosswind test. This demonstrates the vibration characteristic of a fan and compressor when there is a wind blowing across the engine. The crosswind up to 83 kmph are applied at the head-on to the moving engine round 135 degree from engine center line. The engine is run at the highest possible speeds with the various crosswind strengths to ensure the stability of the engine. And the noise test at the end of the session to determine the near and far field noise footprint in the engine, and noise testing is completed using one open air test facility. Hope all the information was very helpful for you guys. Please subscribe to the Officer Aerospy channel if you are not yet subscribed. Like, share and comment in the section below. Meet you up in the next video. Your Officer Aerospy.